Okay, this is New York State testing sampler number 3, question number 7, linear equations and slope. So they've given us a function on the graph, and we just need to remember that all lines or linear functions follow this form y equals mx plus b. And here I can read this graph and see I have a y-intercept of -1. And I can even tell what my slope is. I can tell that my rise is 1, 2, 3, and over 1. So I have 3x plus -1, or 3x minus 1. Y equals 3x minus 1. Now it says that this other function, the y-intercept, is 3/2 greater than the y-intercept of function than the other function. So let's go and let's just get up here and zoom into that y-intercept. It's 3/2 bigger, so that's really 1.5. So we would just go up 1.5 on the y-axis. So that means our new function is y equals some value x, some slope value, plus 1.5. Oh, 0.5. Sorry, I didn't read that carefully. So our 0.5. So if I go down here, I'm looking for something that has a y-intercept of 0.5, and I'm seeing that right here. I don't see it anywhere else, so I know that this choice C would be my solution. They did not actually tell me what the slope is, but it didn't tell me that it was parallel. It just said that which one could represent it.